Today, we have a Nordic snow tire showdown between the Continental VikingContact 7 and the Pirelli Ice Zero FR. The VikingContact 7 has consistently been rated as one of the best in its class, but how does it compare to the seasoned Pirelli Ice Zero FR? We'll be looking at their performance numbers to see which one truly stands out. Let's dive in. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Continental VikingContact 7 set as the reference point at 100%. First up, the most crucial test for any Nordic tire would be ice performances. The Continental VikingContact 7 takes the lead with an impressive ice braking distance of 3.06 meters, significantly shorter than the Ice Zero FR stopping distance of 3.43 meters. That's a difference of 0.37 meters, which can be critical in icy conditions. In ice handling, the VikingContact 7 is again faster, completing the course in 48.82 seconds compared to the Ice Zero FR lap time of 49.43 seconds, a 0.61 second advantage. Moving on to snow performance, it's a closer competition. In snow braking, the VikingContact 7 stops at 11.46 meters, just 0.08 meters shorter than the Ice Zero FR stopping distance of 11.54 meters. For snow handling, the VikingContact 7 completes the course in 72.25 seconds, slightly faster than the Ice Zero FR lap time of 73.09 seconds, a difference of 0.84 seconds. Both tires show strong capabilities, but the VikingContact 7 maintains its lead. When it comes to wet performance, the tables turn. The Pirelli Ice Zero FR outperforms in wet braking, stopping at 37.84 meters, which is 0.55 meters shorter than the VikingContact 7 value of 38.39 meters. In wet handling, the Ice Zero FR completes the lap in 44.13 seconds, a 0.86 second advantage over the VikingContact 7's 44.99 seconds. In dry conditions, the Pirelli Ice Zero FR has a mixed performance. It falls behind in dry braking, with a stopping distance of 30.3 meters compared to the VikingContact 7's 29.64 meters, a 0.66 meter difference. However, the Ice Zero FR redeems itself in subjective dry handling, scoring a perfect 5 points, whereas the VikingContact 7 scores 4 points. When it comes to rolling resistance, both tires are closely matched. The VikingContact 7 has a slight edge with a coefficient value of 6.05 compared to the Ice Zero FR coefficient value of 6.11, a small difference of 0.06. In terms of noise and comfort, the VikingContact 7 is the clear winner with a perfect score of 5 out of 5 points, while the Ice Zero FR scores 4 points. In summary, the Continental VikingContact 7 excels especially in ice and snow performance, where it matters the most for a Nordic tire, while the Pirelli Ice Zero FR shows strengths in wet and dry handling. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.